Now the topic that we'll be doing is profit, loss and discount. Before starting with the topic, let us get familiar with few of the terms, right? First term is CP. Now here CP stands for the cost price. What is cost price? Basically, the manufacturing cost for any article is known as the cost price, right? Next is SP. SP stands for the selling price. Selling price means, say the cost of any article is 1000 rupees and it is being sold at 1200 rupees. So the price at which it is sold is known as the selling price. MP. MP stands for marked price. The marked price means that the manufacturing cost of the article as well as the profit that the manufacturer is going to earn over that, both are included in the same price, and that will be known as my marked price. Next is overhead expenses. Now this is a very familiar term, as the word already says, overhead expenses. Say for example, you have got a new Activa, right, and you want to get it modified. What you do, you will pay for the extra modifications that you will be getting done, right? Those modification prices will be coming under the overhead expenses over here, right? Next is profit, and profit, or the other name for profit is gain. See, first of all, I'll tell you one logic. If the cost price of any article or any item is greater than the selling price, then we say that the loss has occurred. If the case is opposite, that is, if SP is greater than CP, we say the profit has occurred. For example, you are manufacturing a shirt, right? You are a manufacturer of shirts. Now you start manufacturing shirt. Your one shirt gets manufactured and the cost that comes is 1000 rupees. But you are going to sell it in the market at 1200 rupees. So your cost price is rupees 1000 and your selling price is rupees 1200. So can you tell me which one is greater? Obviously your selling price is greater. Now because your selling price is greater, you will be earning profit in that, right? That's the logic behind this. Similarly, if the cost price is 1000 only and you're selling it at a price lower than that, that could be 500, 600 or 700, you will be incurring loss in that, right? So that is the case for loss and profit. So for profit, we have the formula given as profit or gain would be equal to selling price minus the cost price. For loss, we have the formula as cost price minus selling price. If you are given the two values, say for this example, what is the profit that you are earning? That will be SP minus CP. So here we get 1200 minus 1000, that gives us 200. So 200 is the profit that you are earning on each shirt. Similarly, the next is profit percent. As we discussed, any quantity can be converted into the percentage form. So over here, the profit that we calculate, this can also be converted into percentage form with a specific formula, that is profit upon CP into 100. Say you are earning 1200 rupees profit. I want to calculate the profit percent in this case. Now how to do that? First of all, we need to know the profit incurred, right? The profit would be equal to the CP minus SP, that gives us 200 rupees. Now the profit percent would be equal to 200 upon, what was the cost price for the shirt? It was 1000 and we multiply this with 100. Now the zeros get cancelled and we are left with 20. So 20%. While manufacturing a shirt at rupees 2000 and selling it at rupees 1200, we are earning a profit of 20%. Understood? Next is the question of loss percent. Now in loss percent also, we need to know the loss. We will divide that with the CP and multiply it with 100. Clear? Now there is another term, very familiar term to all of us, because all of us are somehow the other way looking for discounts, right? So what is this discount actually? This discount is always calculated on your marked price. Always remember this. This is always calculated on marked price only. Say For example, if some article is having a mark price of rupees 1000, now how do you calculate discount on that? Say I have a mark price, a shirt of rupees 1000, and I am giving you a discount of 10%, right? That is how we go to the shops. We come to know that there is some discount going on, we go to the shops, we rush into the shops rather, right? So what we do here is, how do we calculate discount? Discount is always generally given in the form of percentages only. So how do you calculate this percentage? Your discount amount will be equal to the 10% of your marked price. That is what I meant to say when I told you that discount is always calculated on marked price. That means when you have to calculate how much discount are you getting on that 1000 rupees shirt, what you do is you do 10% of that 1000, you will get 10 over 100 into 1000, giving you rupees 10. That means this shirt will be sold to you on what price? 1000 minus 10, that is 990, right? That means you have got discount of 10 rupees. That is how generally the discounts are calculated. Now if you know the discount, how will you calculate the discount percentage? Because if you are the customer in this case, you might be the shopkeeper, right? So as a shopkeeper, how will you calculate the discount percentage? Discount percentage is calculated while writing discount upon the marked price of the product into 100.